Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you about how to organize and categorize messages in Gmail with labels. Step 1. Log in to your Gmail account. Step 2. Open a message or select the check boxes in the message list. Select several emails. Step 3. Go to the toolbar and select the label icons. Step 4. In the label is dialog box. Select the label you want to apply. Choose create new to make and apply a new label. How to customize your Gmail labels. The label is dialog box includes a link to manage labels, which is a shortcut to the labels screen of the Gmail setting menu. Either click that link or go to settings labels. If you are already logged into your Gmail account, you can go directly to your Gmail label setting. At the bottom of the settings screen, you see your custom labels. Select create new label to add a new label to the list. Hope this guide will help you. Please leave a like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much.